printed circuit board in computer.
Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device that allows you to type numbers, letters, and symbols into your computer or other electronic device.
Mouse. The mouse in a computer is a small device that controls the cursor and gives input to the system.
Hello guys, this is a power supply or CPU. It's an electronic device that affects electrical load such as a laptop or computer, service or other electronic device.
This is cooling fan. A computer system or laptop uses electricity to operate and produce heat in the process.
Software is a set of instructions, data, or program used to operate specific tasks.